So, you got a check. It's payday, maybe a refund, or maybe you just want to bet. Hey, no judgment. The question is, can you quickly and easily deposit it without leaving your couch? Specifically, can you mobile deposit that check into your SoFi account? Let's dive in. Now, mobile deposit has become a staple in the banking world. It's that magical feature that lets you transform paper checks into digital cash with just a few taps on your phone. It's convenient, it's fast, and it's pretty much expected from any modern bank. But is SoFi part of this mobile magic? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why mobile deposit is such a game changer. Gone are the days of waiting in long lines at the bank. No more worries about losing a check in the mail. It's all about speed, convenience, and peace of mind. And if you're someone who's always on the go, mobile deposit is your new best friend. So, does SoFi join the mobile deposit party? Drumroll, please. Yes, it does. SoFi offers mobile deposit as one of its convenient banking features. You can snap a picture of your check, both front and back, and voila! Your funds are on their way. But let's not stop there. How does the SoFi mobile deposit process actually work? Is it user-friendly? How long does it take for the funds to hit your account? These are all valid questions. We'll break down the steps, share some tips, and even discuss potential hiccups you might encounter. But wait, there's more. Mobile deposit isn't just about depositing checks. It's also about security. You want to make sure your hard-earned money is safe, right? We'll talk about the security measures SoFi has in place to protect your deposits. And let's not forget about the little things. What happens if you make a mistake when taking the pictures? Can you cancel a mobile deposit? We'll cover these scenarios and more. So, if you're a SoFi customer or considering becoming one, this video is your go-to guide for mastering mobile deposits. We'll leave no stone unturned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy depositing.